Hi, I'm here to tell you about Socks for Everybody. And this book is so jam-packed full of sock knitting instruction that I don't even know where to start. So if you have never knit a pair of socks or you've been afraid to try, or maybe you had a not so great sock knitting experience your first time around, this book is going to take care of it for you. So we will walk you through toe-up construction versus top-down, and you can learn which technique works best for you. You'll learn 4 different heel techniques, 2 different toe techniques. We have 5 different types of cuffs for you to work with, as well as 11 different stitch patterns. And as you go through all the photo tutorials and step-by-step instructions in here, you will learn your own knitting style. We collaborated with one of our favorite designers, Allison Griffith, on this project, and together I think we have provided you with the best information on sock knitting. So if you've been afraid to try, have no fear. Socks for Everybody is going to be the book to get you started on your sock knitting adventure.